Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I will introduce you to a product that I'm sure you must be using every day in your kitchen. I'm talking about a chopping board. Now, I'm not talking about a regular chopping board. This is what I'm talking about, the Meyer Kitchen Hack 6-in-1 chopping board. Now, this particular chopping board comes with 4 replaceable chopping mats that can be used for different ingredients, preventing any kind of cross-contamination of odor or flavor, and it can be used to segregate veg and non-veg ingredients. So let me show you how to use it. This chopping board comes with 4 mats that are for fruits and vegetables, seafood, meat and poultry, and dairy and cooked food. Simply pop in the mats in the anti-slip feet, securing it properly. Once you are done slicing or chopping, you can easily detach it for easy transfer of ingredients. Replace the mat in order to prevent any kind of cross-contamination or transfer of odor from one ingredient to another. Flip the board to use the spike side used to properly secure the ingredient in place, be it bread or roasted meats, for a neat slice. Once you are done, rinse the mat under running water and wipe it clean using a kitchen towel, making cleanup super easy. The board has anti-slip rubber feet to make sure your board does not slip or move anywhere while you are using it. To store the board, simply stack all the mats on top of each other while securing them and place it in any drawer or cabinet.